So this is a B standard Pascal's triangle expansion, and we've been given an extra instruction, which I haven't written down here, which is that we only need to expand up to the x squared term. So again, we start off by writing out our Pascal's triangle like I have here on the right, and this time I've written it out to the fifth line, which has the 4 in it there, because the power is 4 there. So that starts us off. So we start off by expanding that. So we write the first coefficient down, 1, and then we write the first term down, 3x, and we raise it to the highest power for this expansion, which is 4. Second term is raised to the power of 0, so we don't include it. It's a subtraction here, so we alternate our signs. Minus 4, write the first term, 3x, write the power down, which is 1 less, so to the power of 3, and then we write the second term down, 5, to the power of 1. We don't write the 1 down. Alternate our operations, so now it's a plus, and the next coefficient, which is 6, and we then have our first term, 3x, raised to the power of 2, so it's gone down by a power, and the second term, 5, raised to the power of 2, it's gone up by 1. Now, this term here is going to give us our x squared, so we don't need to write any more, because we were asked to expand up to the term which has the x squared in it. So now all I have to do is write minus, because it would be a minus next, and then a dot, 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 an ellipsis to say, and it continues on, but I don't need to worry about it. Okay, next step would be to continue to simplify this. So we've got 1 times 3x to the power of 4. So one rule we have is that if we've raised a whole term to the power of 4, then our next step would be to raise each individual bit to the power of 4. So 3x to the power of 4 is 3 to the power of 4 times x to the power of 4. So 3 to the power of 4 is 81, and then x to the power of 4 is just x to the power of 4. So we've got 81 x to the power of 4 minus 4 times 3 to the power of 3, which is 9, x to the power of 3, which is x cubed. Sorry, be good if I knew my maths better, wouldn't it? 3 to the power of 3 is 27, of course. So I'll just put 27 in there. And then we've got our 5 there as well. Plus 6, 3 to the power of 2 is 9, x to the power of 2 is x squared, and then we've got 5 squared, which is 25. Dot, dot, dot. Okay, so excuse the wonky writing here, and then the next step would be just to multiply all those coefficients together. So 1 times 81 is 81, and then x to the power of 4. 4 times 27 is 108, and 108 times 5 is 540, so it would be minus 540 x cubed. Then the next term is 6 times 9 times 25, which is equal to 1350. So I'd write 1350 x squared minus, and then again the dot, dot, dot says, and it continues, but we don't need to worry about it. So the final answer is there, 81 x to the power of 4 minus 540 x cubed plus 1350 x squared minus dot, dot, dot. That's all you need to do. And of course, those numbers I multiplied together, that's just as easy as using a calculator to work that out. Okay, so that's a B standard Pascal's.